In this video, I am going to explain you the working of full adder. So full adder is a combinational circuit which contains 3 inputs and 2 outputs. So let us see the block diagram of full adder. This is also called as 1-bit full adder, which contains 3 inputs, that is A, B and C input, and it contains 2 outputs which are called as sum and carry. So here these 3 are called as inputs and here these 2 are called as outputs. So once after drawing the block diagram, we have to write the truth table. This truth table will give the relationship between inputs and outputs. So if you observe here, there are 3 inputs and 2 outputs. So here I'll writing inputs which are A, B, C in, and it contains 2 outputs. One is carry, next one is called as sum. So as 3 inputs are there, so I'll take n is equal to 3, which contains 2 power 3 combinations, means 8. So those combinations are nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So all these are decimal equivalents. Now for this I am going to write the binary. So binary equivalent of 0 will be 0, 0, 0. This is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Done. Next. As this is full adder, we need to add the bits. So here 0 plus 0 plus 0 will give sum as 0 and carry will be 0. Next, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 will be 1. That 1 is called as sum. So I'll write here as sum and carry will be 0. Next, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1. So sum 1, carry 0. Next, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 can be written as 1, 0, which is carry 1 and sum 0. Next, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1. So sum is 1, carry 0. Next, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 will be 2, which is nothing but carry 1 and sum 0. Here also 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2 only. So 2 equivalent will be 1, 0. Next, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 can be written as 1, 1. Okay, so simply 0 equivalent is nothing but 0, 0. 1 will be 0, 1. 2 will be 1, 0. 3 will be 1, 1. So simply you can take this leftmost bit as carry and the rightmost bit is called as sum. So this is the first step that you need to do. Next, once after done with the truth table, we need to do the K-map. So here as 2 outputs are there which are carry and sum, so we have to do 2 K-maps. One K-map is for carry, next one will be for sum. So first we need to write minterms. So sum of minterms for carry. So minterms are nothing but check the position where it is 1. So here it is 1, means the equivalent is nothing but 3, which is again 0, 1, 1. Next, here the equivalent will be 5. Next, the equivalent is 6. Here the equivalent is 7. So sum of minterms are 3, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, we have to write for sum also. So sum is equal to sum of minterms. So see this one. So this is 0, 2, this is 4, this is 7. So minterms are 1, 2, 4, 7. Now as there are 3 inputs, we have to do 3 variable K-map. We have to do 3 variable K-map by using this minterms. So 3 variable K-map. So first let me do it for carry. So carry is equal to sum of minterms. Here minterms are 3, 5, 6 and 7. So I am drawing 3 variable K-map which contains 2 power 3, 8 cells will be there. So it contains 8 cells. So inputs are A, B, C in, and here it is 0, 1. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You can write the equivalent here also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now in this particular minterm position we have to put 1. So in position of 3 it is 1, in position of 5, 6 and 7. Okay, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Next after this we need to do the grouping. So grouping should be done like this. Check for 8 ones. If 8 ones are there, we can group it called as octet. If 4 ones are there, that group is called as quad. If 2 ones are there, we can form a pair, or else it will be single. Now in our K-map, octet is not possible, quad is not possible, but we can check for pair. This is one pair. So if you want to write the answer, there are two techniques. So here 5 and 7 equivalents are there. So equivalent of 5 in terms of 3 bit is 101 plus 7 will be 111. This is one style of writing. So here we need to remember like SOP. In SOP 0 is called as bar, 1 is called as normal. So here this first bit is A, second bit is B, third one is C in. So I am writing it like this: A, B bar, C in plus A, B, C in. Now try to take common. So if I take common as A, C in, B bar plus B. So here B bar plus B is nothing but 1. So answer is A, C in. Next, one more group which is nothing but pair. 7 and 6 is one more pair. So equivalent for 7 is 1, 1, 1 and 6 is 1, 1, 0. Next, this can be written as AB, C in plus AB, C in bar. Try to take AB as common so that C in plus C in bar, which will be 1. So answer is AB. So this is the first answer. This is second. And one more pair that I can form is 3 and 7. So if I do it for 3 and 7, equivalent of 3 is 0, 1, 1 and 7 will be 1, 1, 1. So I can write it like this: A bar, B, C in plus AB, C in. Next, I can take B, C in as common. If B, C in is common, A bar plus A will be 1. So here the final answer will be B, C in. Okay, so finally I got the answer for carry as AB, B, C in plus C in A. This is the first Boolean expression that I got for carry. The same thing we have to do for sum also. So here the minterms for sum are 1, 2, 4, 7. Again it is also a 3 variable K-map. So 3 variables are A, B, C in. So we have to take 8 cells. So here this is B, this is C in. This is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So within the cells try to write the equivalents: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now in this particular positions we have to take 1 and next we have to do the grouping. So here in position of 1 it is 1, next 2, this is 4, and this is 7. If you observe this, we can't do octets. Why? Because 8 ones are not there and quad is also not possible. Similarly pair is also not possible. Always make a note, in order to do a pair the ones must be present adjacent. Means at 5th and 7th position, if ones are there, they are called as adjacent to each another. And if 1 and 5, they are also called as adjacent to each another. 1, 3 are adjacent. But we can't do the grouping diagonally. Means 5 and 3 cannot be grouped. Remember this point. So here pairing is also not possible. So all singles will be there. So this is one single here and here. Now try to write the equivalent for 4. 4 is 1, 0, 0, which can be written as A, B bar, C in. Next, here this is nothing but 1. 1 is 0, 0, 1, which is A bar, B bar, C in. And this is 7. 7 is 1, 1, 1, which is A, B, C in. And 2. 2 is nothing but 0, 1, 0, which can be written as A bar, B, C in bar. So finally our answer for sum will be, here also it will be C in bar. So this will be our final answer. A bar, B bar, C in. Next A, B bar, C in. A, B bar, C in. Next this is A bar, B, C in bar. A bar, B, C in bar. Next one will be A, B, C. So these two are the Boolean expressions for full adder.